Welcome to Northwest Michigan Hunting and Fishing. Today I'm going to show you how to pick a master lock. As you can see, there's no keys around me at all. This is a master lock. No keys, no nothing. It's unlocked. It's locked now. I'm going to put it down just to show you guys. No keys in my hands. Tension bar. I'm going to insert my tension bar. Tension bar is, get it in the right spot, and my picking tool is a small triangle pick. There it is. Very useful in an urban survival situation. Let's do it again. I am going to school to become a locksmith. I start next month, so I'm getting a little bit of a head start. One of the requirements of the class is you have to be able to pick locks by hand. There it is. Let's do it one more time. Reset the cylinder. Put in your tension bar. There's no tricks, it's locked. Put in your tension bar. Half triangle pick. Ooh. It's not a trick lock. This is just ordinary master lock. Do it one more time for you guys. Triangle pick. See if I can do it to where you guys can see. There, that's a good view. There it is. I heard them all snap in. So, this is Northwest Michigan Hunting and Fishing. Take care, guys.